Introduce yourself.
Hi sir, my name is Sahil Singh Solanki and I'm from Itarsi, but I'm currently living in Indore and I have done my graduation in 2021 VCom from from DBV University Indore, and I am just learning an intensive from Seva Concept Solution, and I write test case report, bug report, test scenario using MX Excel or Jira, and now I am searching manual and automation testing job.
Okay, okay. What is the difference between manual testing and automation testing?
Manual testing, it is a manual approach, means we will test the application without any automation tools, and uh, we will write a test case report. We will write test case report, bug report, test scenario in
Okay,
manually, and 100% automation testing is not possible because the process planning designing is uh, is done manually, and automation testing is uh, we will test the applications without any manual approach, and automation testing is based on test script, and
okay. You will write test script for this. Okay, okay. What is the main difference between quality assurance and quality control?
Quality assurance means we will provide quality assurance means reliability to customer. The application is bugless and stable, properly stable. And client are use the applications freely, means it is a bugless applications, and quality control means we will it is a task that done by testing team, and it is a task that done by testing team. We will check actual result of our application max from expected result. It is a quality assurance.
Okay,
It
okay,
is an entire stage of
okay,
testing.
okay. And another question is that what is the main difference between verification and validations?
Verification is a process oriental approach, and validations means product oriental approach. Verification means are we building the product right? Are we building the product right? Validation means are we building the right product? And verification is a static testing, and validation means dynamic testing, and method of use verification, review, walkthrough, inspections, and dex checking, and validations is a method is used functional testing, non-functional testing, and black box testing.
Okay, so what is the main difference between spike testing and endurance testing?
Spike testing, we will test the applications, we will test the application load. uh, in case of spike testing, we will test the suddenly increase the load of high application. It is called static testing, and volume testing.
Yes.
Volume testing,
Endurance, endurance.
endurance, we will test the application long period time, मतलब हम endurance टेस्टिंग का मतलब ये है कि सर हम जब एप्लीकेशन को टेस्ट करते हैं तो लॉन्ग पीरियड टाइम तक चेक टेस्ट करते हैं एप्लीकेशन को.
Long durations.
लॉन्ग ड्यूरेशन.
What is test bed?
टेस्ट बेड. टेस्ट बेड, it is a environment setup for the testing.
Okay.
We will check the hardware software. In case of offline testing, we will check hardware and software specification. It is a properly set. It is a properly set of not. टेस्ट बेड में सर हम ये चेक करते हैं जो हमारी मतलब हम जब टेस्टिंग कर रहे हैं तो हमारे पास प्रॉपर सेटअप है कि नहीं टेस्टिंग के लिए. हमारे पास विंडो है कि नहीं, नेट है कि नहीं, हार्डवेयर सॉफ्टवेयर स्पेसिफिकेशन क्या है, ये सारी चीज़ों को हम टेस्ट बेड में.
Means it is based on environment.
इट इज़ बेस्ड
How
ऑन
many type of environments company prefer?
डेवलपमेंट इन्वायरमेंट,
Okay.
टेस्टिंग इन्वायरमेंट, एंड
You have worked on development environment, testing environment.
टेस्टिंग इन्वायरमेंट.
Okay. Any other environments? Do you know about it?
सर आई मिस.
I think that there is staging environment and production environment. Okay, staging environment and production environment. Okay. What is bug?
Bug means a tester test the application. A tester test the application and cross check the application. Find the bug in the software. That is called bug. And bug are different. Bug are different type.
Bug are confirmed or not confirmed? Means confirmed errors.
Not
or
confirmed.
Not confirmed.
Defect is confirmed.
Defect is confirmed. Okay. Suppose that my login page is not working correctly. Okay, I am entering correct username and password. Login is not managing. Okay, login is not working. Then this is the bug or this is the defect?
This is a defect.
This is the defect.
This is a defect.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And login form missing change reset password hyperlink. Then this is the bug or defect.
Login form.
Missing reset password. Okay.
Reset password.
Yes.
This is a bug because ये डिपेंड करता है रिक्वायरमेंट पे कि रीसेट पासवर्ड का ऑप्शन देना है कि नहीं. इट इज अ
Bug. Okay. Means you will first confirm.
Yeah.
After that you can decide, no?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the blockers?
Blocker means it is a ब्लॉकर मीन्स एप्लीकेशन जब हम किसी मतलब होम पेज पर क्लिक कर रहे हैं, लॉगिन पेज पर क्लिक कर रहे हैं, लॉगिन पेज के बाद अदर जो उसके पार्ट हैं, मॉड्यूल हैं, वो ओपन नहीं हो रहे हैं, एक ब्लॉकर बन के आ गया है जो हट नहीं रहा है. इट इज कॉल्ड बग.
You can simply define it. High priority and high severity based bug is called blockers.
Yes.
Okay. Means blocker will block the
Block
applications
the
to
other part
access.
of the application.
Okay. You can't access the applications.
Yeah.
If this phase will not be closed. Okay. This part will not be closed. But that is called blockers.
Blockers.
Okay. Means something will be blocked. That things. Okay. What are the STLC?
STLC. It is a process. It is a process for testing, and they have follow many phases: requirement analysis, design, test planning, test case design, and environment setup, test case executions, and test case closure.
Okay. Test cycle closures.
Test cycle closure.
Okay. What documents you will deliver under test cycle closure?
RTM, requirement
RTM.
eligibility,
And accepting
Matrix.
RTM, any other documents also?
test case report, RTM.
I think the test closure report.
Test
Do you
closure.
know about it? Test closure report.
Test closure report. Yes.
What is decision table testing?
Decision table testing.
Yes.
We will test the application. In case of decision table testing, we will test the applications, test the range based data of the applications. Minimum -1, minimum +1.
I think that this is the boundary value. I'm asking about decision table.
Decision table testing.
Decision tables means suppose that there one options, one conditions have different type of sub conditions. Okay. Suppose that the one conditions contain various sub conditions. Suppose that you are going to the ATM, you are entering the valid pin code and you are entering the invalid pin code. Okay, what will be the appeared after valid pin code and what will be the appeared after the invalid pin code? It has two different type of states. Okay, so your decisions is based on your data. If data is correct, then this will be opened. If data is incorrect, then this will be opened. This is called decision. Interview is also the decision table testing. Okay, I am asking the various type of questions to you. Okay, if you are answering and I will match from my expectations. Okay, if it will be fulfilling, then I will select you. Otherwise, I will reject you. So that is called decision table testing. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. What is test coverage?
Test coverage. We will test the application. In case of test coverage, we will test the applications. Senior tester plan which area are test into the application.
Okay.
मतलब जो हमें सॉफ्टवेयर में किस एरिया को टेस्ट करना है, हम टेस्ट कवरेज में ये देखते हैं.
Okay.